I never meant to build a real Shopify app. It all started because I was lazy. I didn't want to manually chase customers to send me UGC content. So naturally, I spent like 50 plus hours coding an automated solution instead. Because efficiency. You know, UGC, or user-generated content, is straight up gold. Free content, high trust, TikTok and Meta both love it. It's basically the cheat code to selling online. But here's the problem. Getting people to send you a video is like getting a toddler to eat vegetables. They're like, no thanks, I already gave you money. Now you want a movie too? So every order becomes a stress cycle. Customer buys, you celebrate, please send me a review. But even if a customer does send you a video, that's a whole other battle. Asking for UGC is easy. Getting usable UGC, that's a whole other ballgame. If the video is low quality, filmed on a potato, and sounds like they're trapped inside a dishwasher, how am I supposed to run that as an ad? My Shopify store has happy customers, but hardly anyone was giving us video content we could use. And one day it hit me. What if I bribed them? Like, send a high quality video of you wearing the product, get a $50 gift card. Send a high quality video of you doing an unboxing, get a $75 store credit. Send a shaky 144p clip where we can't see the product, get a high five and a gentle nudge to try again. And what if upon approval, the reward comes automatically? And so, Honest UGC was born. Then I did what any sane vibe coder would do. I ChatGPT'd everything. Back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. I taught myself Shopify app bridge, webhooks, background jobs, and the dark arts of OAuth. My motto, if it compiles, ship it. After a few weeks of pure vibe coding, I was ready. I thought I could just click upload to App Store and boom, success. But
it's never easy, is it?
No, Shopify was like, hold up buddy, paperwork first. There's this whole approval process. You can technically upload a custom app, but that only works if you manually install it on a few stores. And I wanted mine to be available to everyone, just in case someone else found my laziness automation useful. So I submitted it. And then began the longest 4 days of my life. Refreshing the logs like, are they testing it? Are they laughing? Are they crying? And then it happened. Approved. So of course, the very first store to install the app was my own, because I fully trust my coding abilities. I clicked install, held my breath, and prayed the install button wouldn't explode my site. And when everything didn't immediately burst into flames, I celebrated like I just hacked NASA.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Okay, so while I was editing this, I figured I should probably show how the app actually works. So this is the homepage of the app. You can set whatever store name you want here, and then you can just click view landing page. Click that, and then it shows the page that the actual customers will see. So they can scroll down and see what jobs you have created. So back on the back end, here will be all your recent submissions. So if I go and actually put a submission in, and then select a file, hit submit, that'll have been submitted. Then I go to the dashboard, refresh the page, and I will see the submission here. So based on how good it is, I can approve or reject it. So if I reject it, it'll send this message. If I approve it, it'll automatically send the reward that's associated with the job. So for the jobs, you can go over here and set the kind of job that you want. So if you want to create a job where the customer has to submit a video of them wearing the product, so 15-second video of you wearing the product, then you enter some requirements like the ratio that you want, how long you want the video to be, enter the number of spots, the actual reward type, and then the deadline, and you can include some example URLs, then create job. Oh, I didn't set the specific requirements. Create job, there, that's created. Then if you go back over to the actual homepage of the jobs, you'll see here a new job was created. Then after that, you can apply your own customization. So whatever colors suit your brand, you can include some hero images, a logo, page headings, you can change all that. You can include some video examples. So like here, this is an example video. And you can even add some custom CSS. And then below that, you can change around some email settings. So you can change around your from name, your reply to email address, and your notification email. And then upon approval of a submission, you can change whatever the message is. So if
you're going to approve the submission, you can say, congrats. You can put their name if you want. Your submission's been approved. You can change any of this, and then the discount code will automatically show up in the email. So you can just send that off and approve email sent, and there you go. You can see all your approved submissions here, your rejected ones, and everything. So that's pretty much it.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
A few days later, one other person decided to try too. One brave soul. One certified early adopter. I don't know who they are. I don't know why they installed it, but I hope they're doing great in life. Sure, the app isn't taking over the world, but every time I open the dashboard and see installs too, it hits me. This is real. People, well, a person, is actually using it. And honestly, that's the coolest feeling ever. Here's what I learned from all this. You don't have to build the next unicorn startup. You don't need 100,000 users. You don't even need 100. You just need one. One idea worth solving, one person who finds it useful, one step forward each day. And honestly, that's enough to keep going. I'm going to keep building, keep learning, keep breaking things, and keep sharing all of it with you. This channel is all about vibe coding, indie hacking, laughing at the chaos, and maybe making something great together. So if you want to follow along with the journey, hit subscribe, drop a comment, send me memes to cope with debugging, and tell me, what should I build next? Alright, thanks for vibing with me. See you in the next build. Peace.